Coriander leaves not only add flavor and taste to our dishes, but they are also very good for our health. Here is a small home remedy for cleansing kidneys. Boil coriander leaves in water for 10 to 15 minutes and consume it on an empty stomach. Consuming this water every now and then cleanses kidneys, urinary tract, and also reduces the risk of kidney stones. Coriander has several benefits. Coriander leaves prevent anemia. They improve skin health when consumed regularly. Coriander is good for bettering our digestion. It is known to reduce blood sugar levels naturally. Coriander has anti-inflammatory properties which prevent inflammatory diseases like arthritis. Here is a quick tip to store coriander leaves for a longer time. Wash and chop the coriander leaves, dry them under natural air where there is no sunlight, then store them in paper. Refrigerate this package to make sure the leaves are fresh for a longer time.